Hello friends, welcome to JavaEE EJP JPA tutorial. Now you are watching part 7 of the subseries JPA relation one-to-many and many-to-one. In the last video, we wrote function for bean layer, and here in this video we will create a JSP form to create a new job. Now let's quickly review the slides from previous 6 parts. So in this sub-series, we are working with two tables. One is employee and another one is jobs. And we already created two entities. One is employee and another one is job. So this is our first round of Bean implementation. In that we added function to add new employee workflow. In the previous video, we created three methods. One is add job, query employees, and query employee by ID. And then we implemented the bean layer. Now we will proceed with JSP file to create a job. So inside the body, we just kept one h1 tag. After that, in the h4 tag, we specify to check one-to-many relation. Then it's a simple form, and the form action takes place create job servlet. And this create job servlet we will implement in the next video. Method is post. Then we provide job description. So that is displayed here, job description. After that, we have a input field. That's the input field here. It's a text box. We named this input field as job description. Type is text. Then we specified the size. Value is empty. That's why you doesn't see anything here. Then we have a static text max. Alright, so this is the one, right? In the next line, we specify experience level minimum, experience level min. After that, we have one more input field. So this input field will get data for the minimum experience level. After that, we specified max, and if you see, there is no br tag after 2. So that's why, even though here line is the new line, here since there is no br tag, it is displayed in the same line, max. After that, we have one more input field. So the name here is min, and for this second one, name is max. After that, we just specify this min max. There is a br tag, so the min and max stuff appears in the next line. Since there is a paragraph tag, you see a gap here because of this p tag. Min and max should be a value between 10 and 250. So here we just provide some information so that when user is filling the data for min and max, they will make sure the value should be in between this range. So minimum they should not give 9. If they provide like that, it's wrong. So they can give something more than 10 here in the min. Similarly, maximum it should not exceed 250. So if they give 251, that will be wrong. 251 and above. Alright, so that's why here we are specifying it and we are not validating that, we just gave it as a text. Finally, we have one more input field. No, this is not input field, it's a submit button, and that's available in the bottom of the form. So that's all our JSP file. Here, instead of JSP, we should have used normal HTML, but that's okay. Now we will go to demo and implement the JSP file. So here is our Eclipse IDE. Now we will go ahead and create a new JSP file. So this will be our new JSP file. As already explained in the slide, we are filling the body content. Create job from h1. This is a h4 tag, and after that we are providing the form field data. So in the file attachment that you can see in the video description, there is a snippet for 8.23 that was added mistakenly, and since here we are not referring any of the Java related object, that snippet is not valid and we removed it. But in the attachment you will find that, and you can also remove 8.23 code snippet on this JSP file. Alright, now we will start the server. Then we will add our EJB EAR. So here we are seeing deployed EJB EAR, and we can also check the create job JSP is working as expected. So this will be the form. So when user sees this form, they will provide a job description here, then they will enter minimum and maximum experience. After that they will click submit. The id for the jobs table is auto generated one, and the id will get automatically generated. So in this workflow, what we will test is we will create a job, one or two job. After that we will try to create new employee, and we will assign the employee to the new job role which we are going to create in the second workflow. All right, that's all here in this video. Now we will go to Eclipse. We will remove the EJB here. Before that we will stop it. You are seeing undeployed here. Then remove the component, I mean the EJB or archive file. After that stop the wildfly server. We will continue in the next demo. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.